With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hey everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that on absorbing light of wavelength 3800 angstrom, bromine molecule undergoes dissociation and form atoms. The kinetic energy of one bromine atom, assuming that one quantum of radiation is absorbed by each molecule, would be bond energy of Br2 is equal to 190 kilojoule per mole. So in this question, it is given that when a bromine molecule, we have this bromine molecule, when it absorbs one quantum of radiation, then it dissociates to forms bromine atoms, right? And we have to calculate the kinetic energy of each bromine atom. Now here bromine molecule is absorbing one quantum of radiation, and here wavelength of radiation is also given 3800 angstrom. So first of all we will calculate the energy of the one quantum of radiation, right? One quantum of radiation basically means one photon. So energy of one quantum of radiation will be equal to hc by lambda. Now we'll put the values. H is the Planck's constant, so its value will be 6.63 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 joule second, into c is the speed of light, its value is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Then we have lambda, that is wavelength, and it is already given in question. Here it is given 3800 angstrom, right? So first of all we will convert this into meter. So it will be equal to 3800 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter, right? So here wavelength is 3800 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. So when we calculate this, value comes out to be 5.234 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule. So this is the energy which is absorbed by one molecule of Br2. Now when this one bromine molecule will absorb this energy, some of the energy will be used to dissociate, to break the bond. We have Br2, it means two bromine atoms are joined, right? So some of the energy will be used to break this bond, and bond energy is already given in question. Bond energy is given of bromine 190 kilojoule per mole, but here bond energy is given per mole. We have to calculate the bond energy per molecule, right? So the bond energy per molecule will be bond energy per molecule of Br2 will be equal to, now bond energy per mole is given 190 kilojoule per mole. 190 kilojoule means 10 raised to the power 3 joule per mole. So when we divide it with Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 raised to the power 23, we get the energy for one molecule, because in one mole we have 6.023 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules. So here the bond energy comes out to be 1. So here bond energy comes out to be 3.155 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule. So this is the bond energy of one molecule of Br2. So it means out of this energy, 5.234 into 10 raised to the power minus 19, 155 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule will be used for breaking the bond, right? So the left energy, when we subtract this energy from this, the left energy will be the kinetic energy. So kinetic energy will be equal to 5.234 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule minus 3.155 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule. And it comes out to be 2.079 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule. So basically this is the kinetic energy, right? But this kinetic energy is for two atoms, because on dissociation we are getting two atoms of bromine, right? When one molecule dissociate we get two bromine atoms, but in question we are asked about the kinetic energy of one bromine atom. So the kinetic energy of one bromine atom will be equal to 2.079 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule divided by 2. And this value comes out to be 1.039 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule. So this is the kinetic energy of one bromine atom, and approximately we can write it as 1.04 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule. So if we look at the options, this energy is given in option 1, 1.04 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule. So it means here option 1 is the answer. Option 1 is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.